So this is how you can get new users on Temu. Let's go ahead and open up the new affiliate website, and here we are. So if you want to get new users, I'm assuming that you want them because of the affiliate program. Well, it's actually quite simple. Just simply get your link, copy it, and then simply send it to your friends. They should go ahead and download Temu and order using your link. That way you can earn money and they can save more when they order. Even if it's not the case, even if you're not using the Temu affiliate program and you just want to get new users on Temu, it's that simple. Just get the link, send it to your friends, or advertise it on TikTok. For example, if you want to advertise a product, you can go on ahead and showcase it to your social medias, especially your TikTok, because I know that TikTok gets a lot of views. So it opens up more opportunities for you to share your Temu link. And yeah, that about covers it. You can actually even go ahead and tap on share to earn and send it to your messages, Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, and X, and Line. But yeah, that's pretty much how I share my own link on Temu. Either tap on these logos or social media platforms, or tap on copy link, and then send it to my friends. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.